Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 desktop icon missing or not clicking. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that you're on your desktop, you have some app icons but these are missing or you're unable to click them. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, if you are facing this type issue with any specific app or any single app or some multiple apps, so you just have to make sure that apps might be installed on your PC. Now to check that, just go to start and here you have to search for that specific app. So let's say you can see I have an app like that. So whenever I try to open this, it's not opening. So it's mean that this app is not completely installed on my PC or it's have been corrupted or anything else will happen with this. So now to fix this, you can try to uninstall this. Just right click on this and then click on uninstall. So once the app has been uninstalled, after uninstalling, you have to reinstall that app. So reinstallation is the perfect fix for you or once you have reinstalled, your issue might have to be fixed. Or if you have installed that app on your PC but you're still facing the same issue, so it's mean that any of your system file is corrupted. Now to fix that, you just have to go to start section and here the search for CMD, right click on it and then click on run as administrator, click yes and here you just have to enter a command which is SFC scan now. So you just have to scan your PC for corrupted system files. I'm gonna enter this command here and then click OK or press enter. So it will scan your system files or every data in your system. So it might take several minutes. So you just have to wait for this. And when it's completed, you have to enter this second command. So I'm gonna waiting for this until it's complete.